and welcome to another video, guys. As you can see, we are here in the beautiful Maldivian island of Maafushi.
It is located in Kaafu Atoll, just 30 minutes away from the airport, and this island is one of the most popular local islands in the Maldives. And what are you seeing right now is the actual Bikini Beach of Maafushi Island.
Right, so normally we have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel that you can check out. We have a playlist of over 30 islands and plus private islands as well. This is a local island. And we do have a playlist you can check out, but today we are focusing specifically on the Bikini Beach. And of course, we do have another YouTube channel, World Travel Walking Tours. You guys could head over there and support us. We're trying to get our subscription up to that YouTube channel. And yes, we're focusing on the Bikini Beach. Why? Well, because when you're on vacation in the Maldives, it's all about the beach, right? So we want to give you an in-depth tour, a walking tour of the Bikini Beach
and the reality of it. Right now you see a few chairs, and those chairs are actually by hotels that you're staying at, like Kaani or Arena. But on this part of the beach you can also rent them. I think they're about $15 for 2 chairs and an umbrella. You can see the Arena and Kaani hotels are right up front, right on the beach. So as soon as you step out of the hotel, you're on the beach.
Yes, and during the daytime, this is just the scene. You know, you have a lot of people who will come out here, but also you would probably think there'd be more people on the beach, right? Well, it's funny because the way Mafushi is, they have so many tours that go out daily. During the daytime, there's really not a lot of people on the beach here in Mafushi because most people go out on tours. Like, tours is really the big thing when it comes to Mafushi. But the beach, again, for us, it's not the greatest beach. We've been in many other islands. Again, we've been in the Maldives for over 6 months and we've seen so many different beaches. Mafushi is doesn't make even our top 10.
Well, maybe that's the reason, one of the reasons why people are not really on this beach. Maybe they go to other beaches.
Yes, and actually speaking about beaches, we've created
a guide for 10 best beaches in the Maldives.
Yes.
Out of 30 plus we have visited specifically for local islands, because again, as you can see, not every beach is the same. So we actually reviewed beaches by 10 different criteria. So we have created walking tours with drone tours for every single beach that we reviewed, and most importantly, we also told you the conditions during the monsoon, because some beaches, even though they are well known as one of the best beaches, during the monsoon season they get very
choppy, rough.
Yeah.
And not only that, the beach erodes. The funny thing, after being in the Maldives for 6 months, we've learned so much about the beaches and sandbanks. We think the beaches just stay the way they are all year round, and that's far from the truth. Based on the tides and the time of the year, the beaches actually shift. There are times you come to these islands and there's small tiny amount of sand, and then the next season you come and the sand goes all the way out before you reach water.
Or remember the tiny sandbank that we saw by Rasdu Island? There was one little
yes,
one.
Tiny.
But then next year we came, it was 4 or 5 sandbanks formed in a row.
Yeah, so again, the tide and the way the ocean shifts the sand, it all matters. And we go through all of this in our travel guides. If you look right below this video, you will see the travel guides we have. You can click on any one of them, it'll take you to that guide, or you can head over to MaldivesOnABudget.net, and that's where we have a whole scoop of travel guides you guys can check out. We do islands, we do beach comparisons, we do transfers, and much more, so make sure you check that out.
And you can also find so much discounts, including for the hotels on Mafushi as well.
How can I forget the discounts? That's like the biggest part of the whole thing. So yeah, guys, make sure you check that out for more information. Oh, and we also have a free comparison sheet.
Right. If you want to know 5 top islands and compare them by different parameters, we have that as well, and it's available for you for free with instant access. And what you can see right here is Arena Hotel, and they have a beachfront cafe, and also Kaani Hotel with beachfront dining as well. They have some dining options inside, and outside there is also a large area as well where they do buffet. You can dine under the stars right in the evening, and it's right on the beach.
And it's really nice how they actually developed this outdoor area, because even 2 years ago when we came to the Maldives, it did not look like this at all. So they're building it out really nicely. The dining area, they're allowing the outdoor seating, and it's looking really nice.
These branded umbrellas are exclusively for Kaani guests only, but they're first come first serve, and of course they also have umbrellas for arena guests. As you can see, there are only a few of them like that, so it's a very limited amount. So if you really want to relax, and we have done it, and it's actually really nice to have your own umbrella.
So it's first come first serve, right? So yeah, if you are planning on spending the day on the beach in Mafushi, maybe you did all your tours and you're done with your tours for the moment of time that you're staying in Mafushi, and you just want to relax on the beach, be sure to grab your umbrella and chair, and they'll set it up for you, which is really nice. Also here on the sand, during the evening time, you'll see they remove all the umbrellas, and during the evening time they carve hearts, like these massive hearts in the sand, and they put lighting, and they put up they basically prepare the beach for evening romantic dinners, which is really nice.
And we had a romantic dinner there as well, and it was really lovely from Kaani Hotel. If you want to see that experience, you can find the video on our channel as well.
So as we can see, obviously, this is the Bikini Beach, and obviously again, because it's called a Bikini Beach, it's because that's where tourists are able to wear their bikini. Now, if you notice this fence coming up here on the right, it's kind of broken down. Yeah, what's left of it. Once you cross this fence and you're looking over to the next beach, that's no longer the Bikini Beach. So as you can see, I'm about to make a left here, and to my right now, that would be the regular public beach. So you're not allowed to wear your bikini there, only to the left of this jetty.
Even though Mafushi is one of the most popular islands, it does come with the pros and cons, and we talk all about the caveats of visiting Maafushi Island in our Mafushi travel guide.
Yes, so again, make sure you check that out on MaldivesOnABudget.net. And while you're there, just pick up your free comparison sheet. Why not? If you are interested in heading to the Maldives, it has a wealth of information for you guys, and it's absolutely free.
And if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel, because more videos just like this are coming soon.